In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple sales automation in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. If you're tired of manually nudging every deal forward, this quick setup will keep follow-ups on schedule and help you react at the right moment. We'll build it in Pipedrive's automations using a clear trigger, sensible conditions, and a single action that fires reliably every time. Start by opening Pipedrive and going to the Automations tab. This is your workspace for rules that listen for events and handle routine steps for you. Create a new automation and give it a descriptive name so your team instantly knows what it does and when it runs. Next, choose your trigger. A dependable option is when a deal stage changes. Triggers are the when of your automation. They watch for a specific event so you don't have to. Select the pipeline you care about and decide whether this should run on any stage change or only when a deal moves into a particular stage, like qualified or negotiation. If you want fewer notifications, pick one destination stage so the rule activates only at the most meaningful moment. Now define your conditions. Conditions are filters that refine which deals get included, ensuring the rule runs for the right scenarios. For example, you can limit it to deals above a certain value, to deals owned by your team, or to deals with a particular label. You might also include a condition to match a specific product line or region. Keep conditions as simple as possible while still preventing noise. The goal is to target the opportunities that genuinely need a prompt. With the trigger and conditions ready, set your action. A popular choice is create a follow-up activity. Select the activity type, such as call or email, set a relative due date like tomorrow morning, and assign it to the deal owner so accountability is clear. Add a short note with context, for example, what to mention on the call or the next milestone to confirm. If your team uses reminders, set one so the task appears at the right time and doesn't get buried. Alternatively, you can send an email. Choose a template, personalize it with fields like the contact's first name and the deal title, and fine-tune the send time to match your prospect's time zone or your typical engagement window. Keep the message concise and action-oriented, and make sure it links back to the next step you want the contact to take. That's all you need. From now on, whenever a deal meets your trigger and conditions, Pipedrive will automatically create the activity or send the message for you, keeping your pipeline moving without the extra clicks.